Hey everybody, my name is Trader Bows. I have 9 years of trading experience, thousands of hours in front of the charts, countless wins, and just as many losses. Today I'm breaking down the 9 most valuable lessons I've learned over 9 years of trading experience. Now, I'm not talking about theories that I learned on YouTube or the fluff, just real battle tested lessons I've learned that have helped to shape my journey over the years. If you are serious about trading, stick around because this will help you save years of trial and error. So let's go. Now, my number one lesson I've learned over the years, and this might sound so trivial, this might sound so small or insignificant, but it actually helped with my psychology. It helped me to remove the emotions from the charts, and that is changing the color of my candlesticks. I told you it was small, but it is very, very significant because this might sound small, but it's powerful. Red and green triggers emotional reactions. It triggers your fear, triggers your greed. When you see the green going up, you say, "Ah, man, just look at this beautiful green candle. I gotta get in on that." When you're in a trade and it's going red, even if it's just a small retracement, you'll be like, "This is dumping. I need to get out." So this triggers emotions. So I will advise you switching to neutral colors. You can use black, white, you can use gray, blue, just simple colors that are neutral, that can help you detach from those emotions that colors bring out. Trading is a psychological game, right? So you need to remove anything that manipulates your mindset. Now, the number two lesson that I had to learn the hard way trading over the years is the importance of risk management. Risk management is your real edge. Most traders spend years searching for the perfect strategy, but here's the truth: your real edge isn't in the strategy, it is in your risk management. A great strategy with poor risk management will still blow up your account. A decent strategy with solid risk management can help you survive over a long period of time, help you refine your craft, help you refine that strategy because you were not taken out of a potential opportunity to turn that strategy around. So small controlled losses are part of the game. Blown accounts are not. So number three lesson I had to learn the hard way is the higher the time frame, the better. Honestly, I can't emphasize on this enough. The higher the time frame, the better. If you have the patience to trade on the monthly time frame, please do it. That is just the honest truth. Because you see all those lower time frame, it looks exciting, but they are full of noise, full of manipulations. The higher the time frame, the clearer the market structure. Daily, weekly closes hold far more weight than 5 minutes candle movement. And if you feel like you want to trade the lower time frame, I'll advise you still start from the higher time frame, then learn how it relates to the lower time frame. Then you can make more informed trading decisions in the direction and the bias of your higher time frame. But if you just go directly to your lower time frame and try to trade, more, it's not easy. Scalping is the most difficult type of trading to do. It's not the easiest. You might think, oh, let me just get in here and get out here. I'll make a little bit of money. That is not how it works. Scalping is difficult. It is much more easier, much less emotional intensity, much less psychological energy to just trade the time frame and go about your day. Now, the fourth lesson I've learned about trading over the years, 9 years of trading, learned it the hard way, is that the best trades feel boring. They are boring as hell. If you enter into a trade and your heart is racing and you're checking your phone and you can't do other things, that is probably a bad trade. It is either your risk management is wrong, your sizing of that trade is wrong, your entry is wrong, or something about that trade is wrong. And most of the time, once you get one thing wrong, it usually goes all wrong. The best setups are very, very obvious. They don't require second guessing or forcing any entry. Trading should be methodical, right? It should be mechanical. It's not like a gamble. It's not like, if you're addicted to the thrill, you're in the wrong business, right? You should be emotionless and as boring as a robot. Buy here, sell here, take loss, take profit, take loss, take profit. That is how you should be, emotionless with this stuff. Once you are able to master that kind of trading, you will find out that trading is boring and it's just like any other job. Now, the fifth most important lesson I've learned over 9 years of trading is that candle closes matter. It matters a lot. How a candle closed matters a lot. Wicks, spikes, and intra-bar movement will shake you out if you're not careful. But candle closes tells the real story. So focus on how price closes, not just what it does during the move. If you react to every tick every week, you are trading noise and you are not trading structure. So a key lesson I learned is to wait for higher time frame candle closes. A 4-hour close of a candle above market structure, above a resistance or above a support, is much more significant than a 5 minute or a 10 minute spike into it which got rejected, right? So higher time frame closes, very, very important. So number 6 lesson I've learned over the years of my trading is adapt or die. Markets will humble you. The market will humble you. Markets change. What worked 5 years ago may not work today. If you can't evolve with the market, you'll get left behind. Strategies need adjustments, risks need recalibration, and your mindset needs to stay flexible. If you think you figured it all out, the market will remind you otherwise. Markets evolve, so you have to be able to evolve with the times. Be open-minded enough to absorb new ideas into the ideas that you have already, so that will help you with your trading. The 7th lesson I learned is that less is more. So you only need one setup. You can have a couple pairs. You don't need to trade every single setup and every single pair. In my early years, I traded everything. I thought the more pairs, the more opportunities, the more money, right? Well, wrong. Overtrading leads to overexposure. Now I just stick to a select few pairs and I master them. Specialization leads to consistency. So the number 8 lesson I learned over the years is that journaling will change your trading mindset. The moment I started tracking my trades, my growth accelerated. Your memory is unreliable. Writing things down reveals patterns, and it reveals mistakes that you won't see if you didn't write them down or if you didn't take cognizance of these very important information. So I'll advise you to log your entries, your exits, your emotions. What were you feeling when you took those entries and exits? Market conditions at those times when you traded those entries and those exits. And you'll be shocked at what you learn about yourself and your trading. Now, the 9th most important lesson I've learned over the years trading for 9 years is patience is underrated. Risk management gets all the attention, but patience is just as critical. Waiting for your setup, trusting the process, and resisting the urge to force trades separates successful traders from gamblers. The market rewards those who wait and not those who chase. So be patient. If you have an A plus 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 setup, then make sure you take only your A plus 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 setups, because those will help you be more profitable. If you are taking every C setup, B setup, D minus setup, Z setup, they will just be eating into the profits of your A plus 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 setups. You know what I mean? If you choose to take only your A plus plus setups, imagine where your trading will be. Trading isn't about being right, it's about being disciplined and consistent. These 9 lessons have taken me nearly a decade to learn, and I'm still refining them every day. Most traders don't make it past year 1, but if you can absorb these insights, master them, it's not easy, but if you master them and you stick to these lessons, I promise you, you'll be ahead of 90% of them. If this video helped you, drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.